Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube DPP series for machine learning. So in this series, you will get daily few practice questions for machine learning, and all questions will be conceptual and interesting questions. So what you need to do, you need to just pause the video and comment your own answers. So let's just see. So the detailed video solution link you will be getting in the description or in the pinned comment. So attempt, comment, and check the solution, right? Definitely your support matters. If you like, comment, and share the video, then we will continue this series. So your support will decide the future of this series. Now let's just see the questions. So this is question number 1, which is SVM question, hard margin SVM question. This is question number 2, which I've taken from Berkeley University. This is related to linear regression. This is question number 3. This is soft margin SVM question. This I've taken from CMU University, and this is easy question but nice question. So just try out this question. This is question number 4, which is straightforward question. Still, I have taken this from CMU University. So this is related to gradient descent or the direction of the gradient. Okay, I think the similar question has been asked in GATE DA recent years, either this year or the last year. This is question number 5. Which is related to linear regression, least square solution. Okay, again at the same time it is related to linear algebra also, because they are talking about the projection, column space, row space, etc. Okay, so that's all. Just solve these 5 questions and comment your answers. Thank you everyone.